Okay, Assalamualaikum tuan-tuan dan puan. Hari ni kita berada dekat area Industrial Park, area this is Pennsylvania, right Alex?
Yeah.
Pennsylvania. Kita nak melawat apa ni, warehouse.
You'll arrive in 1,000 feet.
Yang menempatkan barang-barang Malaysia.
Pennsylvania.
In Philadelphia. Where is it? Okay, this is 175. Warehouse yang menempatkan Malaysian product dekat area Pennsylvania. Okay, that's the company, Anascorp. Okay, this is dia punya warehouse lah. Ini dia punya warehouse ya.
Good thing about it, they also do the fulfillment services.
Oh, okay.
Meaning that if we grow bigger, we cannot do it ourselves. We can just ask them to do it. Yeah. They have the machine, they have the people and everything.
Dia punya warehouse dekat US. Warehouse dia. Ni barang-barang dia. Ada MD2 pineapple, Choco, Hydro. Macam produk ada. Oud pun ada. Fat conditioner. Oh, this is good. Ni mochi treats, granola. Oh, macam-macam ada. Tomato kicap dan sebagainya. So this, oh, there's more here. So lada hitam, Arabic oil, Malik Cafe. Ini Dr. Aisyah punya chicken rice pun ada. Oh, ni sudi. Oh, chicken rice. Lepas tu ada boom chas, super cute, fried salad. Ni RAM dengan loading dock dia.
Rakam ni okey, tak apa. Tak ada rakam. Jangan ambil dalam kawasan orang punya. Kawasan sini tak ada. So typically, masa saya balik Malaysia dulu, you get one container kami. Alhamdulillah Salman is the one who and then
This is our warehouse in PA. So all the stocks, products are here. All the good stuff are here.
kalau kita ambil sebelah kosong.
Look at that. Alex, what products are you seeing here? Nims. Nims USA, throughout USA, Tennessee, Hawaii, Mexico. This is the new one.
This is a new one.
New one. What do you call that? Pistachio. Malt ball. Only the best from Malaysia.
From Malaysia.
Oh my God.
So it's kind of like, I don't know, having jet lag and things like that. We are going to Washington DC shortly.
The American people, the healthy versions of breakfast cereals. As Alex mentioned certain things about that, you know, plenty of granolas here and breakfast cereals, but mine is especially with, we call it the words I use it, you know, specifically we introduce ingredients which is outstandingly good.
Kita punya event hari ni,
You are single?
Oh no, I have no friend.
kita akan balik ke mula. Okay. Kita dah borong barang Nims daripada Narves. Ni dia punya warehouse dekat Northampton. Terima kasih kerana menonton. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe. Ni bos dia terus tu. Bos Amin.
Is by grades.
Is by grades. Okay, nanti saya test. Thank you very much, bos.